This is a servo motor. Servo motors is widely used in most of the CNC machines, robotics and to every device where we need a controlled motion. Servo motors हमें highly accurate motion provide करते हैं and in this video we are going to know the top 5 servo motors which is widely used all over the world. So hello everyone, I am Vivek Chaudhary and you are watching SL Engineering. So no further delays, let's dive into this video. On number 1, YASKAWA. YASKAWA is founded in Kitakushu City, Japan and now one of the biggest servo motors and servo drive manufacturer in the world. YASKAWA servo systems में आपको exceptionally high speed and extremely accurate control देखने को मिलता है, means आपको very high acceleration and deceleration देखने को मिलेगा, plus very high encoded resolution देखने को मिलता है, 16 million pulses per revolution. And guys, this is a very huge number for a servo motor. YASKAWA servo motors में आपको very smooth curve precision मिलता है and they doesn't generate the vibration. And one more plus point is that they are always highly energy efficient motors. YASKAWA will provide you a highly improved vibration suppressions and ये सब कुछ possible होता है by a highly advanced torque circuit inside a YASKAWA servo drive. YASKAWA servo motors give you a very high torque and power in a very compact motor size and YASKAWA servo motors are IP67 rated. It means YASKAWA servo motor से आप dust, moisture, metal dust या किसी भी तरह के environment में, किसी भी तरह के harsh environment में बहुत ही easily work कर सकते हैं. And friends, one of the biggest feature of YASKAWA servo systems is it will give you a 2-axis amplifier in a single drive. मीन्स आप एक ही सिंगल सर्वो ड्राइव से 2 सर्वो मोटर्स को रन कर सकते हैं वेरी इजीली एंड द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस फीचर इज इट विल गिव यू अ वेरी स्मूथ मोशन इन टू एनी ऑफ द एक्सिस, वेदर इट इज फॉर गैंट्री एक्सिस और अलग अलग एक्सिस भी हो. सो आपको एक बहुत ही स्मूथ मोशन देखने को मिलेगा बिकॉज जो सिग्नल आ रहा है वो एक सिंगल ड्राइव से आ रहा है फॉर 2 सर्वो मोटर्स. एंड नाउ YASKAWA ऑलमोस्ट इंस्टॉल्ड 9 million सर्वो सिस्टम्स इन द वर्ल्ड. We are also using the YASKAWA servo system in our fiber laser cutting machine. अगर आपने देखा होगा हमारी fiber laser cutting videos, because YASKAWA brand is highly focused on servo systems. That's why they are one of the best servo systems in the world. On number 2 is FANUC servo motors. FANUC is also founded in Japan in 1955 by the name FUJI Limited. And in 1972, the computer control division became independent and FANUC Limited was established. And the reason of this brand on number 2 is FANUC not only manufacture the servo motors, they also design the complete CNCs, robotics and too many different type of industrial systems. Most of the European and Japanese machine में आपको FANUC CNC systems देखने को मिलेंगे. And their servo motors are also provided you a top level performance when it comes with the FANUC CNC and servo systems. FANUC एक widest range of servo drives and servo systems offer करता है on the market. FANUC servos and spindle motors come with all sizes in a very compact packaging with the best matched amplifiers. Till now, FANUC installed almost 20,000 laser systems and 4 million CNC controls all over the world. FANUC manufacture the most powerful motors for higher acceleration and mechanical precision and low vibration, which suits to spindle of higher performance and large size machine. FANUC produce motor up to 150 kilowatt and their motors are also IP65 and IP67 rated. On number 3 is FUJI Electric. FUJI Electric was established in 1923, a joint tie-up between Furukawa Electric and Siemens. And now Furukawa Electric is FUJI and Siemens is a different company. Siemens is also one of the biggest company in the world who manufacture electrical components, CNCs and robotics and servo systems, same like FANUC. And in European market there is a very tough competition between FANUC and Siemens. And FUJI Electric servo systems have a very good market share in India. Almost 60% CNC fiber laser cutting machines में आपको FUJI servo systems देखने को मिलेगा जो कि mostly imported होती हैं from China. Because they come in a very budget and not that much expensive like YASKAWA and FANUC. and also give you a very good performance for all type of your CNC systems. Even I am saying Fuji gives you one of the best servo systems performance in your budget. And we are also using the Fuji servo systems in some of our CNC fiber laser cutting machines here in India. And friends, one of the biggest thing is that Fuji Electric started manufacturing their servo drives in Bhiwandi, Mumbai, and their research and development center is in Pune. So हो सकता है आपको Fuji servo systems में कुछ drives made in India देखने को मिले. On number 4, Panasonic. Panasonic नेम आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा. Panasonic is a giant multinational electronics company formerly known as Matsushita Electric Industrial Corporation Limited. Panasonic was also founded in Japan. This is the top 4th company in a row which came from Japan. They started their manufacturing by a light bulb socket manufacturer and now making too many different type of electronics and household devices. Panasonic is also making the servo systems. Panasonic offers a wide range of AC servo motors from 50 watt to 15 kilowatt, making them ideally suitable for both small 1 or 2 axis and a complex task up to 256 axis. Panasonic is widely famous for making the servo systems for CNC machines like laser cutting, plasma and water jet cutting. Panasonic is also a very good brand for making the servo systems. You can see too many different type of CNC machine in India which is running by the Panasonic servo systems. And now come to our number 5th company in this list, and that is Delta Electronics. Delta is a Taiwanese electronic manufacturing company, was founded in 1971 in Xinjiang town. Same like every other electronics manufacturing company, Delta is also making the servo systems for industrial purpose. Delta manufacture their own robotics arm and CNC machines. Delta provides you a very good performance in a very competitive price. They are not that much costly like other Japanese manufacturer. Based on customer demands and market trends, Delta Industrial Automation provides CNC controls, spindle motors and drives and AC servo motors and drives which offer constant speed, constant torque and the accurate positioning control required for the machine tools. In India, Delta have a very good servo system setup. You can see too many industrial CNC machine or systems running on the Delta servo systems. And now one question from all of you guys, which servo system are you using in your CNC machine? Tell me in the comments. And which one you prefer to choose from these 5 servo systems for your CNC systems and automation. And at the end, I want to tell you one thing guys, that I choose all the above top 5 servo system based on our CNC fiber laser cutting machines and CNC plasma cuttings. We personally tested all of these 5 brands in our CNC machines. So I hope you enjoyed this video very much. So like and share this video. And if you are new here, so make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel for regular technical updates. And also you can connect with me on social media handles. All links are in the video description box. So go and follow me on some social media accounts. See you in the next video. Till then, signing off, Vivek Chaudhary. Bye bye. Thank you.